You twist the jar and it doesn't open. You stand up from the chair with both hands now. You carry the groceries and the arm starts shaking. You are in danger if you call this just age. Greeks stayed strong past 70 on what they ate, not what they lifted. What they fed the body, no gym alone can replace today. Forget protein powders. Real foods cost almost nothing. They hold the muscle that age takes away. Here are 10 ancient Greek superfoods that stop muscle loss after 60. Stay until the end. The Greeks had one meal habit that mattered more than any food alone. Number 1. Greek yogurt. One small bowl before bed protects your muscle through the night. After 60, your body breaks down muscle faster than your exercise, builds it back. With no protein coming in from dinner to breakfast, your body pulls it straight from the muscle. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt holds 17 grams of protein, twice as much as regular yogurt. It also provides all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to maintain themselves. Choose full fat. Without the fat, the protein release runs out by midnight. Greek shepherds lived on yogurt for thousands of years and stayed strong into old age. Greek yogurt in the morning is just food. At bedtime, it becomes muscle. Number 2. Olive oil. 2 spoons of olive oil a day stop the inflammation that breaks muscle down. After 60, every workout leaves inflammation in the muscle. The body used to clear it between sessions. Now it doesn't, and the muscle pays for it. Olive oil acts as an anti-inflammatory at every meal. Drizzle 2 tablespoons across the day, raw, on bread, vegetables, or soup. Choose extra virgin, cold pressed. The cheap refined kind has been heated until the part that fights inflammation is gone. Extra virgin keeps it intact. In ancient Greece, the doctor Galen prescribed olive oil daily to older patients to keep them moving. What inflammation breaks down, olive oil keeps whole. Number 3. Sardines. 1 small tin of sardines a day rebuilds the muscle. Your exercise alone can't sustain anymore. After 60, your body needs more protein per meal to send the muscle building signal. And most senior diets fall short of it at every meal. With 25 grams of complete protein, a tin of sardines crosses that threshold in 1 sitting. Its omega-3 helps your muscle absorb more of the protein. Eat the bones. They're soft, edible, and bring the calcium your muscle needs to fire. Choose tins packed in olive oil to keep the omega-3 intact. The very word sardine is Greek, sardini, from fishermen of the Aegean who worked the boats into their 70s. Most protein you eat after 60 doesn't reach the muscle. Sardines do exactly that. Number 4. Lentils. 1 bowl of lentils twice a week brings fuel that exercise alone can't deliver to your muscle. After 60, your blood carries less oxygen to the muscle, and without oxygen, exercise tires the muscle without building it. Your legs feel tired because the oxygen never arrives. A cup of cooked lentils holds 18 grams of plant protein and half the iron your body needs in a day. The iron carries oxygen through your blood to every muscle. Eaten with grains like rice or whole wheat, they provide all 9 essential amino acids in an optimal balance for muscle maintenance. Cook them with a squeeze of lemon at the end. The vitamin C doubles how much iron your body absorbs. Hippocrates served lentil soup to patients recovering their strength, and the bowl still does the same job. Number 5. Walnuts. A small handful of walnuts a day brings the magnesium your muscle needs to absorb the protein you eat. After 60, magnesium runs low without notice. The muscle stops absorbing protein during the day and stops relaxing at night. A handful of walnuts holds the magnesium most senior diets miss, plus more omega-3 than any other nut. 8 or 9 walnuts a day is the dose. Eat them raw with the brown skin on. In ancient Greece, Galen also prescribed walnuts to patients rebuilding their strength. The cramp at 3 in the morning isn't bad luck. It's a muscle out of magnesium, and a handful of walnuts puts it back. Number 6. Figs. 2 or 3 figs a day refuel the muscle between every workout. After 60, your muscle runs out of fuel faster and takes longer to refill. Figs are pure muscle fuel. Sugar the body uses immediately, plus calcium and potassium so the muscle squeezes right with every step. Eat 2 or 3 between meals, dried or fresh. Ancient Greek athletes carried figs in their pouches before sprinting in Olympia. Number 7. Wild greens. 1 plate of wild greens, what the Greeks call horta. A week brings the minerals your muscle needs. The small tremor in your hand is a muscle missing those minerals. Horta holds more magnesium, calcium, and potassium per bite than any vegetable on the supermarket shelf. Take them boiled and dressed with olive oil and lemon. Hard to find outside the Mediterranean, but a plate of cooked spinach works the same way. In ancient Greece, the doctor Dioscorides prescribed wild greens to elders losing their strength, and Greek villagers still gather them every spring. Number 8. Honey. 1 spoon of raw honey before your daily exercise gives your muscle the fuel to actually do the work. Without energy, a tired muscle doesn't walk, doesn't lift, doesn't climb. A muscle that stops moving is a muscle that disappears. Raw honey delivers fuel to the muscle in minutes. Glucose your body burns immediately, plus minerals that keep the muscle firing. Take a spoon in water or tea 20 minutes before you do your exercise routine. Ancient Greek athletes drank honey water before sprinting at Olympia, and Pythagoras prescribed it daily to his older disciples for endurance. They walked, lifted, carried, and ate honey before doing it. Number 9. Barley. 1 bowl of barley a day gives your muscle steady fuel for hours of work. Bread, white rice, sugary cereal, they burn out fast and leave the muscle empty. The exercise you just did needs hours of slow fuel to actually turn into muscle. Barley releases its energy slowly, hour after hour, instead of all at once. A cup of cooked barley holds steady carbs, complete plant protein, and the slow fiber your muscle needs to recover. Eat it as warm porridge in the morning or in soup with vegetables for lunch. Spartan soldiers marched for days, fought for hours, trained from age 7 into old age, and barley was their fuel. Number 10. Pomegranate. The seeds of pomegranate reach the muscle deeper than any other food on this list. They trigger your body to repair the muscle from the inside. Studies on adults over 60 show measurable improvements in muscle function within 4 months of eating pomegranate seeds daily. Eat the seeds fresh or frozen, not the juice with added sugar. Theophrastus, student of Aristotle, prescribed pomegranate to elders as the fruit of long life. None of the other foods reach the muscle this deep. One last thing the Greeks knew. Some days, eat only twice, no snacking between, so the body does its repair work uninterrupted. Build your meals around these foods, not just from them. The Greeks moved every day too. But without these on the plate, no movement holds the muscle. What the Greeks fed the body, no gym alone can replace today.